Karl Marx was the founder of an alternative structural perspective in sociology. Driven out of Germany and then France for his radical beliefs, Marx settled in England. There he lived in great poverty, often writing at his kitchen table with his children playing round him. Yet his theories were to change the world.
Marx's ideas, certainly for much of the 20th, had more impact on many people, a greater number of people, than even Christianity or Islam had. So you're talking here of a very powerful idea.
For Marx, to understand how societies work and change, you have to understand their economic structure. Social change is characterised by changing forms of production. Modern societies were characterised by a change from feudalism to industrial capitalism.
By capitalism, he meant a system of competitive market enterprise of the sort which we still have today. Marx thought that when you have a capitalist society emerging, it's very, very different from any previous society in history. In feudalism, for example, the preceding type of society in Europe, if you consider, say, land, in a feudal society you could not sell land. Land was simply inherited, it was simply owned in families, it wasn't something you could buy and sell. In a capitalistic system, which is a market system, you can buy and sell anything, Marx thought. That's one of its most distinguishing characteristics.
You could buy and sell anything, even people. Labour became a commodity, something to be bought and sold, and if necessary, discarded. From this economic theory came a social theory, the theory of social classes. For Marx, all societies were divided into a ruling and subordinate class. The ruling class owed its dominance to its control of the means of production, that is, the means of generating wealth. However, there was always a conflict of interest between the ruling and subordinate class, and it was this conflict that ultimately was to bring about social change.